Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today I will discuss about Sadat Hasan Manto's Tobatek Singh. Tobatek Singh has been included in the syllabus of 6th semester, and these belong to the genre of partisan literature. Tobatek Singh's writer Sadat Hasan Manto was a Pakistani writer. Though he was born in undivided India. But first of all, dear students, I want to discuss about the ambiguity about the pronunciation of Sadat Hasan Manto's last word. The last word Sadat Hasan Manto. The last word is Manto. The controversy is whether the pronunciation should be Manto or Mantu, just like 1 and 2. Majority of the scholars are of the view that the correct pronunciation should be Manto, not Mantu, just 1 and 2. So, from now on, I will utter the name Sadat Hasan Manto, not Mantu. Sadat Hasan Manto was born on 11th May 1912 in undivided India in Ludhiana, that is presently in Punjab province or Punjab state. He was writing mainly in Urdu language. He produced 22 collection of short stories, a novel, 5 series of radio plays, 3 collection of essays and 2 collection of personal sketches. His best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. Manto did not hesitate to write about the hard truths of society, about which majority of the contemporary writer did not dare to talk. He is best known for his stories about the partition of India, which he opposed. He opposed vehemently through his writing. He opposed the partition of India. Immediately after the partition of India, India and Pakistan got quote unquote independence in 1947. Manto, after partition, went to Pakistan. He did not go to Pakistan before the partition, rather, he went there after the partition. And he was not too much happy there. If we read his short story, a kind of despondency and happiness resembles with his own biography. For example, Thanda Ghost, a very important writing based on partition. Thanda Ghost to some extent expresses his own experience after going to Karachi from Bombay, present day Mumbai. As thanda goes becomes tasteless, it does not remain as delicious as is the newly cooked ghost or meat. So his migration from India to Pakistan was not as tasty, as delicious as he was in India. Ancestor of Sadat Hasan Manto were Kashmiri Brahmins who had embraced Islam in Kashmir. Later, some ancestor from his family had moved to Lahore during the 19th century. From Lahore, the family moved to Amritsar. Some writers believe that Manto's ancestors were migrants of 1833 famine in Kashmir. During this period, a large number of affected families in Kashmir moved to Amritsar, Lahore, Sialkot and Rawalpindi in adjoining state of Punjab in search of livelihood. It is not conclusively confirmed whether Manto or the Mantos were a part of migration. Some writers believe that Manto's ancestors were salt traders who moved to Punjab after heavy salt tax forced many weavers and traders to move out from Kashmiri Valley. Dear students, here I stop and I will make another video on the same subject hereafter, because I am facing some problem in uploading this, uploading a video which is very long. Thank you.